Let's remove our 5-hour battery and install our flex. It's a perfect fit. Well, you saw it here. It works great with DEWALT batteries. I received an order to build a 30-foot planter box, which is going up against a privacy fence, so I only have to build the front and the 2 sides. So let me start planing some of these boards so we could cut them down to size with our new miter saw. Good morning, it's the next day and I'm just laying out all the parts of the planter box to make sure I have everything. I accidentally made a whole extra panel because I thought it was a 30-foot planter box and it actually wasn't. It was only 24. And here's the extra one. So these will be the tops, but I'll cut that at the work site. I just have to pick up a little bit of hardware and 2 4x4s. Then I have everything I need for this project. Here's what we're working with. We are going to build the planter box all the way down. I got a call that someone's trying to sell a house and they need to install a railing, so I'll be taking this miter saw to the work site today. Let's go to work. We need to build a railing all the way down to prevent someone from falling. Let's get to it. I just got a phone call. Someone wants a custom planter box, so I'm gonna make it right now. Well, there you have it. You saw me put this miter saw to the test. I did several jobs with it, made some decent money. There's nothing like not having to take that long extension cord with you and asking the customer, can I plug this in? Or having a loud generator running in the background and disturbing all the neighbors when you show up at the job site 7:30 in the morning. Battery operated power tools have come a long way. And I put this miter saw to the test. I abused it. I had it in the scorching sun for numerous hours. It performed fantastic. I give this miter saw a 10 out of 10. Get your BAIKEMON miter saw today. Links in the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. And I'll see you on the next tool review video. You have yourself a good one. Thanks for watching.